Out looking for adders again. Thought I would do a quick little video on my Higonokami. I've had it for 3 months now, and I think I've finally found the perfect EDC knife. At least this is just my opinion. Tried a ton of different knives. I think this one might be my favourite out of all of the ones that I've tried. So mine's a little bit different. Normally they've got a reverse tanto or a sheep foot blade. Mine's got a true tanto, 4mm thick blue paper steel, handmade in Japan. Do get a lot of fakes, but happy I got the real thing. I was tempted to buy a fake because they were a bit cheaper than this. I think I paid £90 for this, and the fake ones were going for £14, £6 to £14. But I'm glad I bought this instead of the fake one. Just a very simple knife. Definitely one of my favourites now. Very safe knife. Doesn't look it because it's a friction folder, but if you put your thumb on there, and that's not going to close in your hand, as long as you don't do anything stupid with it. But that's the Higonokami. Thought I would do a real quick video on it because it's one of my favourite knives now, and I've decided it's going to be my permanent EDC from now on. I've never sharpened it since I've got it. I have only stropped it though, and honed the blade on a ceramic. And that's all I've done. Let's get a nice patina on it as well. It's a very nice simple knife. Just a quick little video I want to do showing off my Higonokami. That's all I've got to say really. Going to continue looking for adders and slow worms. Haven't seen any yet. I've been here for 2 hours now, so might be a bit late in the day. It's after 3 o'clock, but never know unless you look. So yeah, quick little video on the Higonokami. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.